If you're experiencing frame stuttering in Fortnite, there are several adjustments you can make to improve your gaming experience. Follow these steps to optimize your settings and enhance performance. Step 1. Adjust in-game settings. Lower your graphics settings in Fortnite. Navigate to the settings menu and reduce options like shadows, anti-aliasing, and textures. Setting the resolution to 1920x1080 and enabling performance mode can also help. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Ensure your graphics drivers are up to date. Visit the website of your GPU manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. This can significantly improve performance and stability. Step 3. Optimize Windows settings. Adjust your Windows settings for better performance. Go to the Control panel, select System, and then click on Advanced System Settings. Under Performance, choose Adjust for Best Performance to disable unnecessary visual effects. Step 4. Close background applications. Before launching Fortnite, close any unnecessary applications running in the background. This frees up system resources and can help reduce stuttering during gameplay. Step 5. Check internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is stable. Use a wired connection if possible, and check for any bandwidth-heavy applications running on your network. A stable connection can reduce lag and improve overall performance. By following these steps, you should notice an improvement in frame stuttering while playing Fortnite. Enjoy your gaming experience,